So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the transmission fluid on your 1.5 turbo Accords with the CVT transmission. So I'm gonna get into it right now and show you guys everything you need and how to do it. So first, what you're gonna do is locate your fill plug. The CVTs, they come with two plugs. One right here in the front, down near the cat, and then the other one will be right here near the MAF sensor in between the battery tray, and it'll be marked HCF2, which is the required fluid to run inside of these CVT transmissions. So you can either reach down there if your hands are skinny like me and just pull it out, or you can get some long nose pliers and just grip it and just do the same thing, just pull it out. So here we go right there. And now I'm just gonna stick my funnel in that hole right now for now, and then put it in the air and show you guys what to do next. So you'll need a new crush washer, 4 bottles of HCF2, and this is optional, it's just a conditioner. Once you have the car in the air, you're gonna remove these 4 speed nuts with a flathead screwdriver. So it'll be one right there, the other one in that corner, 3 and 4. Then you wanna go ahead and remove these 2. Okay, go ahead and pick right now. So the drain plug will be 3/8. So you just get a 3/8 ratchet and just get it in there and then just break it free. And then just get your drain bucket and be careful, because this CVT fluid loves to spit out. Like it messes up my flow at work every time I do one. You just want to go ahead and clean up this drain bolt because it is a magnet, so it will have shavings or whatever stuck to it. So you want to completely drain this out. It's almost done draining, but once it's done draining, just make sure you clean up after yourself because this fluid is kind of stinky. Now go ahead and set your torque wrenches to 30 foot-pounds of torque. You don't want to over-tighten these plugs. It's important that you use a torque wrench because this pan is aluminum, and aluminum tends to strip out very easily if it's over tightened. Don't forget to clean up your mess, kids! Now you just want to go on ahead and put the under tray back up in the reverse order that you took it out. So now, if you're not using a conditioner, you can just go ahead and put 3.7 quarts of this CVT fluid in. Just be careful not to make a mess or spill anything. If you do, just clean up after yourself, because this fluid is kind of on the smelly side. I call it stinky juice. But yeah, 3.7, and I'm going to be using the Honda Adrenaline HCF2 fluid, and along with the BG additive that is provided at every Honda dealership. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and fill that up, and we're gonna send it. Now you just want to just put the plug back in. You don't want any debris or anything to fall inside your tranny, so just pop that back in, and then you'll be good to go. Alright, guys. This is the thing I hate about coming in short customers' cars, bro. Look at, I'm in the roof. Like, by Accord, bro, my seat is lowered all the way down to the floor for a reason, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful to anyone that needs to know how to do this to their 10th gen Accord. Shout out to, I will put his name right here probably. I don't remember his name, but shout out to you for commenting on the video during my coolant flush, asking for a video on CVT service and what are the odds I get one in today for a CVT service. So yeah, man, comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one.